Alright, this is my HTML, plain HTML with all my coding on it. But then without CSS, it's just like a very ugly skeletal structure. So I'm going to remove my CSS to see how it looks like. So remove the CSS, manipulate it, and then we go live. And boom, it shows this just a normal structure, a normal skeletal structure, which is kind of ugly. But then I'll add my CSS back to show you guys how CSS makes the site look, how CSS rebrand the site, how CSS can design the site to be very beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So we are heading back to our VS Code. Alright, now let's put back our CSS to see what it looks like. I'm going to add back this S which I removed before. So then I'll save, and then we go live once more to see what it looks like. So you close the port, and then we go live once more to see how or what this site looks like. So here it is. This is it. How beautiful it is, finely structured and everything. This is how it looks like. Oh, this is the full portfolio site, and this is what it looks like. It's the work of CSS, just to design, to make things to look beautiful, to make things to look awesome, to make things to be very, very nice. Actually, do not mind my icons. I'm not actually online. There should be icons here, but because my Wi-Fi is having some issues, these are icons which I am kind of importing from another site. So because you can see my Wi-Fi, I'm not having any data connection, so it won't load. But then this is how it is. This is my desktop view, and this is how it is. My mobile simulator, this is how it is. Can have a closer look. So that's the work of CSS. Very perfect, very beautiful, and very nice. Thank you very much.